Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. Today I'm with two job and two internship updates. I hope you all are doing great, and if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for more updates. So starting with the first one, Couchbase is hiring for graduate software engineer. Location is in Bangalore, and the requirements is that you must have 0 to 2 years of experience only. B.Tech, M.Tech student, and you must know these languages: Go, Java, Python, and you can hack in C, C++. Okay, so these are the requirements. If you are eligible, then you can apply. And the second update is from Siemens for cloud programmer entry level, and the skills is that you must have bachelor's degree in engineering, 0 to 3 years of experience in web development, and experience in technologies such as Node.js, Express.js, .NET, knowledge of AWS, uh, DB, Dynamo, Cloud Formation. Okay, so I will provide the link in the description. You can apply. And the internship update is from Neustar for software engineering intern. And these are the key skills that you must have: basics, expertise in Core Java or any programming language, knowledge in SQL queries, database concepts, familiarity with Linux, okay, etc. And the last update from the internship is from Intel for grad intern, and the minimum qualifications is that you must be Tech BE student. So if you are eligible, go and apply. All the links will be in the description. And if you have any query, comment down. I will reply to your query. Also, please do follow our LinkedIn page for more updates. I post regularly regarding jobs or internship updates. Thank you. Bye.